Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for this one, I can put like this. Now we need to focus about this one. So in this situation, we have the formula in here. So because we need to cancel about the square root, we need to have the power 2 in here. So in this situation, we need to multiply by the square root of s plus the square root of s plus 1 on numerator and the denominator. Now we need to simplify this one. So s minus s, you got number 0, negative with number 1, we have negative number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Negative number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So in this situation, we have the formula in here. E to the power of f and 8 equals to capital 8. So in this situation, we have capital A in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put the limit goal here. Now we just concentrate on this one in here. Next, we have the next one. Eight, that is about s. B, that is about 1 over s. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So f and s go in here. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative of f and s. And s. This one we have 1 over s. This one we have number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. So that means the value of this one, we have number 0. We simplify and we have number 2. That means this one equals to number 2. So when we combine two values in here, and this one we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.